This is probably going to piss you off if you are someone that wants to get into affiliate marketing, but you have no idea about sales or marketing, or you've never really studied human psychology, or you're brand new to the self help space and you've just learned about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing most likely won't be for you in that situation if you are in that circumstance. However, if you do understand marketing or human psychology and everything surrounding that to do with marketing, sales, communication skills, influence, everything in between, then you have a chance to be able to become a top marketer and a top affiliate marketer in this case. So, for those of you that want to become an affiliate marketer, regardless of what position you're in, I'm about to go over the fundamentals of what you need to become a top affiliate of any affiliate program, whether it's just some small local business with an affiliate program or some online software company or software or e-com store, whatever it might be, or whether it's the biggest brand in the world that's got an affiliate program. You will become their top marketer if you understand these fundamentals. Because I've learned from being in an affiliate program and from others that have been in affiliate programs much, much bigger than the one I was in as well. And just from running an agency for over a year now and understanding the fundamentals of human psychology and just marketing and sales and just generally growing a business and actually going to have my own affiliate programs in the future. So if you understand these, then you will be able to become a top affiliate of any affiliate program. So again, to begin with, I want to express a disclaimer that if you're new to the idea of what affiliate marketing is and you've clicked on this because it's maybe been, it triggered your curiosity or maybe it just poked you a little bit maybe with the thought, because the reality is most people, most people getting started will not be able to become a successful affiliate for a long, long time. Because, at least to begin with, you have to understand the importance of how to market effectively. You have to understand how to connect with the actual brand that you're selling and their audience. Because part of becoming a top affiliate is all to do with how well you can market that product or service and how well you can connect with that brand's audience. Because the chances are, one, if you're joining the affiliate program of a new affiliate program, one that is not a very well established brand, then you are having to do the hard legwork for that brand. And that's probably why they've set up an affiliate program in the first place. But then again, this is something that you can leverage with a small brand. But if you've got a much bigger brand, then actually it's much easier to leverage even then, because they've done the legwork for you, and then you just have to understand the fundamentals of their target market and their target audience and who their customers are, and then understand the basics of marketing so that you can apply all those elements of marketing and then be able to help push that market, push the product or service to that target market. So I think let's use two extremes here. Like I said, we've got a small brand, which is maybe a small software company or a small ecom brand, and they've got an affiliate program. And then you've got, let's say, something that's the size of like Netflix or Google that have an affiliate program as well. So with a tiny company that's maybe barely even started, maybe they don't even have any sales, or let's say they're doing 5 or 6 figures a year in revenue, and they're trying to grow even more and grow an affiliate program nationwide or worldwide or in a new continent, you are having to do the hard legwork for them of people that don't yet know them. You are having to you're having to establish almost a new target market for that brand. And you are basically having to invent the brand for them. So to begin with, in a way, you're in a fortunate position here because you can kind of almost be the voice of the brand yourself. And especially this is what a lot of affiliate programs do. I mean, this is what, Tate's Hustlers University used to do. People used to think that every affiliate was like the actual Hustlers University or Tate, Top G, Cobra Tate, whatever it might have been. And it's the same with a lot of people that, any similar person that has these affiliate accounts, affiliate programs, that you often don't actually know whether they're the affiliate or whether they're the official brand's accounts or not. So to begin with a smaller brand that's not worth millions or billions, it can sometimes be easier in the sense of if you're growing that account from the ground up and you're establishing that target market for that small brand, then you are effectively just leveraging marketing skills as they are and leveraging in cultivating that brand's visibility from the beginning, so you can just focus on basically pushing and selling the desired outcome, just like the brand has to do for themselves. But in this case, you don't have the risk of the brand and having to be relying on the brand and taking the risk. You just have your brand deal, brand sponsorship, and whatever you have, and getting the commission payments you're getting from any sales you get, and you have no risk, and you simply can, use the marketing skills you have, create viral content, post it on social media, and overall just work on making the best piece of content with the best, the best SEO rich captions, which increase conversions, working on the best call to actions. If you don't understand any of these terms, I'll feel free to make a video, comment below if you want a video on all these random key terms I'm throwing out anyway, but I'll make a video on that separately if you want. And ultimately just making the highest converting content that will actually convert to your affiliate link so that you get more sales. So for a smaller brand, that's the way to do it. You're having to just leverage marketing and basically cultivate the brand's target market from the beginning, because no one even knows them yet, really, other than maybe a few hundred or a few thousand people. Then once you get to like Netflix or Google or Microsoft level, you are working with an established brand, an established reputation, an established target market, and target audience. So now you can actually leverage that brand's reputation, and all you have to do is use the pinnacles of marketing, just understanding the basics of keys to viral content, understanding how to make an SEO rich caption for your content, and then understand the conversion rates and be able to make an optimized piece of content that actually attracts people to want to click the bio and not just like the video and reshare it and carry on. Because with an affiliate program, as an affiliate, it's very different to just trying to gather attention. Because if you have 100 million, say you had 1 million views maybe across 5 or 6 posts, right? If you have 1 million views, but you've got no conversions because people are just liking the content and swiping up to another piece of content, that's pointless. Whereas you could have 100,000 views, but you have a 5 to 10% conversion rate. So you effectively have thousands of people and then hundreds of people at the bottom of the funnel that are looking at that piece of content that are a potential customer, even for a smaller brand, but especially for a bigger brand like Google or Netflix, that actually click on that video, that actually look at that piece of content, and then are actually, intrigued by that and actually want to, find out how to get it and look at the comment, look at the caption for how they can get this product, get this service. So understanding the conversion rate, and kind of ultimately we're building a funnel here from the piece of content all the way to the affiliate link and the website and making a sale. That is the most, all of the entire funnel is an important part to understand when it comes to an affiliate, because really, as an affiliate, the only thing we're not taking on is the risk of actually owning the brand for ourselves. When we become an affiliate, we are basically more or less becoming the marketing department for that brand, for that business. So we need to you desperately need to understand that if you want to become an affiliate, you have to be, you have to understand marketing and how it works so that you can basically know how to build a funnel. You obviously can't control the sale once they've hit the link and decide whether but you can't increase the conversion rate of the funnel, but you can certainly increase the conversion rate from top of funnel, which is the piece of content you make, and the conversion rate to the actual link itself, which is a large part. It's how many views you're getting, the quality of the call to action, the quality of the content itself, the quality of the description of the post, the caption, hashtags you might use, and everything in between. So if you're working for a bigger brand, like I said, you're able to leverage that brand and its reputation, and then just use the little metrics and skills within marketing to be able to increase the conversions through that funnel. So, not to make this a massively long video, but obviously in those two sides of the business, two opposite ends, you're leveraging two different areas, but you're obviously still using marketing. And you need to understand that with affiliate marketing, you basically become the marketing department for that brand. And you need to understand that, because I see so many people want to get started with affiliate marketing when they do not understand marketing for a start. And affiliate marketing in the name requires you to understand marketing. And affiliating for a brand, even in itself, is basically just you're helping market the brand and you're getting a commission for marketing it. So you have to understand marketing, which means in a way you have to understand funnels as well. So understand those before you even consider becoming an affiliate. And then just in general, consider which situation you're in. if you are brand new to marketing and brand new to the self-help or entrepreneurship and business building space, too many people think that affiliate marketing is a great place to start. And this may sound controversial, but to me, affiliate marketing is the other end. If unless you are unless you have a skill of creating viral content, and I'm talking about being able to make content that is high converting. You can either get 10,000 to 100,000 views on a video, whether it's YouTube Shorts or TikToks or Instagram Reels, and you can get, maybe 100 clicks or 1,000 clicks, and out of those 100 to 1,000, you get 10 to 20 sales, and that might be per day. Even per week is great. Even per month is amazing if it's high ticket affiliate. If you can get those views and those conversions, or millions of views and smaller conversions, then sure, dive into it. But most people starting out with affiliate marketing are simply setting up a TikTok account, trying to get a few thousand views so that they can get one or two sales of a $10 or $20 product and $5 commission. And it's simply, there's means to an end. It's not going to work if you're a beginning like that. So understand that if you if you want to become an affiliate, realize what you need to know and understand in order to be able to become a top affiliate, because you need to understand those things, whether it's a small brand or a big brand, to become the top affiliate of any brand. Understand the importance of marketing, because that is what affiliate is anyway. You are becoming the marketing department for a business, for a brand anyway. And then just understanding really the actual entire process. You're making a funnel. Yes, you can't control the landing page and the sale, but you control the content all the way up to clicking on the link and everything in between. So realize what you need to know, because I urge you to not go down the affiliate marketing route if you're a beginner. You can use it on maybe slightly bigger brands if you're learning the basics of affiliate marketing, but a lot of small business owners rely on affiliate marketing. And if you're brand new, then, ultimately I would suggest going for bigger affiliate deals, because quite frankly, one, you're going to get probably a larger commission, especially if it's like a high ticket, affiliate program that has a big track record with affiliate deals, then sure, work with them. But, I urge you to just, study the fundamentals first, because yes, it can be trial and error, and everything's trial and error, but you will not get the results that you wish for and that you aim and desire to get in the first few weeks or even the first few months as a beginner with affiliate marketing. So if you do go down the affiliate marketing route, and I hope you do, and I hope it works out amazingly for you if you want to, but I urge you to be cautiously aware of what it takes. You will become the marketing department for that brand, and I hope you get them loads of sales in the process. So that's my rant over. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.